Hello guys, today we're going to play Duolingo Chess one more time. Let's start. If you're ready, go. Wait. Now it's I cannot understand that language. But I know you complete a 30-day streak. Chess matches, play Oscar, or play person. I would rather Oscar. A person
Nervous?
is a little hard.
You should be.
The only thing I need is practice. This?
Suddenly, my confidence is shaken.
What does that mean, Oscar?
Courage, Oscar.
Oh no, that isn't.
I'll miss that one.
His queen moved.
Oopsie.
Oh, now it's my turn.
Pop goes the pawn.
Catch. Here.
Check, please.
Whoops.
Your Highness? My Highness. Must you ruin all my plans?
This could go here. This.
Foingo!
Ah, that was scary.
I'll take those points.
Oh, no, you shouldn't.
I'll be taking that pony.
What? It's mine.
Check.
Ina.
Check, please.
Where? Oh, no.
Check, please. Did you expect me not to take it?
What?
You'll get me next time, Grandmaster.
I just lost. Oscar win. Breathe in, breathe out. Feeling better?
With my busy schedule, I don't have time for ads. Super Duolingo gives you ad-free learning, so you can stay focused and keep moving forward. It's one less thing to slow me down, so try Super today.
Oh, 57 days strike? What a strike. Keep it going every day. Front strike with Lucia Chacha. 55? That is a big one.
Time to make that king go boom.
What? You cannot just win when you want.
Guess I won't be promoting that pawn.
And this.
Bad pawn, bad pawn.
Am I funny?
Giddy up.
Ah,
Check.
I should not be.
But why?
This?
He tried his best.
Oh no.
You took my bishop.
This is getting easier.
Goodbye, noble steed. I'll take those points.
Oh no. Now mine. Oh, it's time.
Oscar, stop blundering your pieces.
Queen.
A pawn potentate. That was part of the plan.
Yes,
Good match.
I win.
Shake hands? Tap fingers?
How to tap fingers. Where did I go wrong? 493.
With a super family plan, you can add 5 people. I assume that includes cats.
Grandma, do you love your cats more than me?
I definitely love saving money and getting super benefits for both of us.
Playoff.
Go easy on them, Oscar. Well, not too easy.
Go easy.
That was my favorite pawn. See you, little guy.
See? finally moving queen. It's my chance to take it.
Bye-bye.
Oh.
That was my favorite pawn. Don't worry, Oscar. You didn't need her anyway. Some pawns aren't built to last.
This is here. I want to know where I could put this, but maybe here for defender. This I cannot rush in. I have to think. Okay. This.
Aha!
What? How's that possible?
Don't mind if I do. Would you do that to your friend? Check, please.
Oh no.
And bam!
What?
Yes, queen.
No, that's mine.
I meant for that to happen.
Stop stealing my things.
Check, please.
Yes.
Suddenly, my confidence is shaken.
What does that mean?
Right. Showtime.
Showtime? How would you do some
Check.
showtime?
I'll be taking that, bishop. Deep breaths, Oscar. Check.
Oh no. Not
Equal
those
and opposite
flowers.
reaction. I meant for that to happen. Nice exchange.
What?
Another one bites the dust. Nice check.
Yeah.
Okay, you beat me
I
fair and
won.
square.
So guys, I lost 1 match, but I won 2 matches. I finally won. Thanks for watching. Bye.